Hey, so will the Wyze Band in this package replace my Apple Watch? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the Gross Tech Show. My name is Josh, and today we're going to be looking at what's in this package. Now, I literally have not opened it at all. I wanted to give you what I thought right away, so no preview or anything. We know what's, spec-wise and all that stuff about the band, but I wanted to kind of see what it's all about, really, in firsthand to see, is it going to replace my Apple Watch? So no, this thing is 25 bucks, 26 bucks. Your Apple Watch are a couple $100. This is a version 2, or a Series 2 Apple Watch, so it's old, getting slow, and so I'm not saying that the Wyze Band is going to replace. This Wyze Band will be better than the Apple Watch 5 or something like that. I'm talking about if you have a version 2 or an old Apple Watch, is it still better to have it than just having a Wyze Band? So let's find out. All right, so we open it up, we get a band, which looks like the rubber band that you get always with your Apple Watches, and then the actual Wyze Band. So that's interesting. Is this a separate, replacement strap? So they give you a second strap. That's really nice. The Wyze Band, Smart Home Assistant and Activity Tracker, and that's why they're not calling it a smartwatch, because it's more than that. Controls your Wyze devices, Alexa built-in, waterproof, customizable screen, heart rate and activity tracker, and phone finder. So let's open it up. It reminds me of the fitness tracker, at least it looks like, the fitness tracker that I reviewed right when I first started this channel. Up here, you'll see the video up there. There's the sticker, the Wyze Band Quick Start Guide, and the band. And what I'm interested to see, and what I really was not happy about, is this charger. Of course, it's going to be one of those proprietary, stupid charge points. Luckily, it came with the charger. It does not come with the plug. It just comes with the USB. Oh, and seriously? So that is as long as it is. Wyze, I'm not, I'll nitpick, but that is the cable to charge your device. I don't know what genius thought that this was long enough of a USB cable to charge anything, especially when you still have to plug in a power brick. It does not come with a power brick. Kind of disappointed about that. So, yeah. All right, so we have our Wyze Band and our Apple Watch. Installation was pretty simple and easy to do. Had to deal with updating the firmwares. Just about every other product that Wyze sells, you have to deal with the same thing. So just be ready to sit for about 5-10 minutes at least of doing updates to the band. Once you have that all installed and you can get to it, the interface is very different than most of the other Wyze products. As you can see over here, ta-da! It has the different faces, and you can scroll through them and see what you're able to do as far as the setting-wise in your phone. Now, the use of it is on the actual watch itself. It has a raise to wake feature. I don't know if I'm just not doing it rough enough, but it doesn't always raise the wake for me. You can turn that on or off. It has, I'll just go through it. So you have your home screen, your clock face that you can change what the clock looks like, what information is on the front. Not too much information you can have. It is a lot smaller of a screen than I was expecting, being this whole thing, your actual screen is only about 2/3 of the size of the actual device. Down here is just a button, and every time you tap it, you get a haptic vibration. If you hold it, Alexa comes up, and you can use Alexa. I don't have it installed or set up. So you can customize your watch face with your background with with your own photos or what's already there. Come on. So we scroll up. Basically, scrolling down is your activity tracker, so it tells you how many, now come on. It tells you how many steps. If you tap on it, it goes into more details about your steps, your heart rate, your sleep. So we'll see how well this does with sleep. If we hit the home button, I guess I'll call it the home button, it takes us back. Scroll down, shortcuts. This is where you can set shortcuts for your Wyze products, just like the shortcuts in actual Wyze, but they don't transfer over to here. Down below that is the run, and I don't want to actually start a run, so you can't choose other types of activity. It is only running, because once you tap on it, it starts a run. 3, 2, 1, and starts your run. It vibrates. It tells you how many miles, what your time is, beats per minute, calories, and you can continue or finish. I'm going to finish. Yay, congratulations. So your run, you can set alarms. You can turn them on or off. Simple. You can check your weather. And you can get a forecast a little bit. Oh yeah, that's nice. Below that is the heart rate. And we can see how good it actually is. 87 beats per minute. You find your phone. And if you hit it, it makes some nice fancy word dinging on my phone. Settings. We can go to band info, brightness, do not disturb, slide unlock, reboot, and reset. Alexa alerts. Again, I don't have anything set up in there. Notifications. And back to your home screen. So you have a very limited, really, compared to what your Apple Watch can do, a very limited thing, and that's why it's a fitness tracker. It's not a smartwatch, it's just a fitness tracker that also does your home automation stuff with Wyze only. It does have Alexa, so if you do have other things in your house that are connected through Alexa, you can use your band to control those as well. So it's nice, but I don't know, I was thinking it was going to be a lot more than what it is, I guess. So in the end, it's an activity tracker. It's 25 bucks, very, very reasonable priced, especially. Man, I still can't get over the fact, Wyze, why did you make your, or allow your band to be charged by some proprietary stupid thing? And also, more importantly, why did you make it so stinking short? Come on. I mean, really. That's not even a no-brainer. Nobody has... that's unacceptable. And I hate using that phrase, but that is unacceptable. In 2020, having a charging cable that is not even a foot. Come on. Seriously? All right, I'm going to say something that I hesitate to say, but I don't... Most all other Wyze products that I have done and used and reviewed for you guys, or even showed you guys, I've been really excited about the sensors and the cameras, and even the scale was pretty cool. I don't feel that excited about this. And I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I feel like you're moving outside of the smart home, and I realize that it's more that you can control your smart home with this band on top of being an activity tracker, but I don't know, Wyze. I don't feel as excited about this as I do a lot of your other products. I'm just going to be honest with you. I don't feel like this. I don't know. It doesn't tickle my fancy like I thought it would. With that said, I am going to replace my Apple Watch for a week and use this instead and see how I enjoy it, how it feels, how it handles normal day-to-day life, be it at work, home with the kids, just life in general. How does this withstand dealing with the usage of a normal life, and will it stand up and survive a life of mine, basically? The other thing that I really want to find out is, will I miss the features that my Apple Watch has that this does not have? And then bigger than that, because Wyze is pushing, I guess the biggest thing about this is that you can control their Wyze products and deal with all those things. Will I actually do that with this? That's going to be my biggest question and my biggest thing with that, so stay tuned to that. If you like this video, check out our other videos over here. As always, God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.